There it is. Halo 3 Xbox. Let me show you some stuff. Okay, there's Master Chief, as y'all know. Okay, here is what it actually looks like. It's green. See that? Okay, now we're gonna open it. Come on. Okay. Get ready for the best Xbox you've ever saw. Sorry about this. Didn't plan on getting this today. Okay. And what do you know? Xbox 360. Whoa. We'll mess with that later. Junk. Piece of crap. Junk. Important, please read. Yeah, whatever. Oh, what's this? Download Gamer Picks and Theme. Yeah, we'll put that up there. Junk. Okay, out of business. Let's see what we got in here. We have cords. Fuck that. Okay. Now let's see what this is. Whoa, shit. Oh, nice. If you can't see that, that is green. Okay, here we go. What is this? See this? What this is all about. This, oh, sweet. I think there's batteries in there, but, this is the controller. Yeah, black, whatever. And these are the bad batteries, never get used. Cables. Oh, we always gotta get that. Don't forget your cables. Fuck it. Okay. Here is the rechargeable battery pack. Let's see what color it is. Come on, fucking tape. Excuse me. Oh well, we'll see it later when we get the Xbox open. This, cables, whatever. Oh, what's this? Ooh! Oh my god, more cables. Oh, infamous power brick. Well, as you can see, that is empty, and that is empty. So, we're done with that. Now let's get to the big part. I'm gonna set down the camera. Open this bitch up. Resume where I was when my Xbox broke. Now check this out. Customized Xbox 360. Can you see that? No, that is not a dent. And over here, Bungie, yes, they split, but okay. Gold, good color. You can't see it. It looks like it's kind of rashed out right there. And right there it says, oh, okay. Right there it says Halo 3. See? Yeah. Okay, let's see if it has a new motherboard. Okay. Hold on, let me see something. It was shipped 27/07/27. So I'm guessing it's gonna have the new motherboard. So yeah, that's the Xbox 360. Let's do work.